What's the meaning of condescendingly? Condescendingly. Condescendingly.
Condescendingly. Condescendingly. Condescendingly means to speak or act towards someone in a way that suggests you are superior to them. It is often used to describe a patronizing tone or behavior. When someone speaks or behaves condescendingly, they are looking down on the other person and making them feel inferior. This can create feelings of resentment and anger, leading to a breakdown in communication and relationships. It is important to communicate with others respectfully, and avoid using condescending language or behavior, in order to build and maintain healthy relationships.